Hi, I'm John Gillespie, one of the CTI instructors. Tim and I were going to be doing our HVAC classes over the next several weeks, and we're going to be covering everything from how the refrigeration system picks up heat inside the car and takes it to the outside of the car, all the way to the advanced interior climate controls with the multiple zones that are found in some of today's cars. We're even going to do a Max 609 certification preparation class, but that one's free. You have to participate in this week's HVAC 2000 classes, which is our essential practices and essential diagnostics classes. And then you can attend the Mobile Air Conditioning Society class free of charge. So I'm going to put up a couple links with this video, and I hope that we can get a number of you signed up to take part. You have an idea what we're going to be able to do with our demonstrations. You can see right now that I've got the PowerPoint behind me. We'll demonstrate some tools live on screen. This is my leak detector. I've got some broken cars that we can work with. And this is very interactive, what we are going to do. So I hope we can get a number of people signed up, and we'll see you this week.